Welcome to Gyan Bithi. Today, Mathematics CBSE 10th PYQ paper 2023. We will solve. First 10 questions will be discussed today. If you are new to our channel, so please subscribe. Let's start. The sum of first 50 odd natural numbers are 5000, 2500, 2550 and 5050. Let's see. So, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 up to 50 terms. It is very easy that the sum that you are going to find out, it's actually an EP. Here first term is equals to 1 and d is equals to 2. So sum will be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By this formula we can easily find it out. So 50 divided by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, 50 terms are there. So n minus 1 means 50 minus 1, so you will get 49 into d means 2. This will give you 50 divided by 2, 25 into 2 plus 49 2s are 98 means 25 into 100, that means 2500. Okay, I am showing another method. Suppose 1 plus 3, only 2 odd numbers you are adding. What is the sum? This is 4 and it can be written as 2 square, isn't it? 1 plus 3 plus 5 means first 3 odd numbers you are adding, and see that addition, this will give you 3 square means 9. So just tell me, if you are adding 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 up to 50 terms, so what should be that addition? How many odd numbers you are adding? 50 odd numbers. So it should be 50 square means this will give you 2500, 2500. In the given figure, AD equals to 2, DB 3, DE 2.5 and DE is parallel to BC. The value of X is triangle ADE is here similar to triangle ABC by AA criteria of similarity. It is very easy, you can easily show that. Just check it here. This angle will be same as this angle since this is given parallel, and similarly this is also same. So by AA criteria these two triangles will be similar. Now you can write AD by AB is equals to DE by BC. Put that values. AD is equals to 2, AB is equals to 2 plus 3, DE 2.5 and BC is X, right? So 2 by 5 is equals to 2.5 divided by X. This will give you 2X is equals to 12.5, 5 into 2.5, X is equals to 12.5 divided by 2 means I think this should be 6.25. So this will be your correct answer, 6.25. Okay, move to the next slide. A circle is of radius 3 centimeter. So let us draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. The distance between two parallel tangents. We all know that two tangents are parallel when it is drawn through the endpoints of any diameter, right? This is the diameter. What is the length of the diameter of this circle? Since radius is given 3, so diameter will be 3 into 2 means 6, correct? And then only these two tangents will be parallel. So what is the distance between them? Obviously the distance which is same as the diameter. So the answer should be 6 centimeters. I hope you have understood. If there is any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section. The median class for the data given below. Okay, this is a problem from the statistics. First we have to draw that column. Like class is given, I am writing CL for that. Frequency, that means Fi, and obviously for the median you all know that you have to find out CF means cumulative frequency. So class is given 20 to 40, then 10, 40 to 60, 12, 60 to 80, 14, 80 to 100, 13, 100 to 120, 17. Now find the cumulative frequency. How to find it out? First will be same as that frequency, and second, how to find that 10 plus 12, just add that next frequency, you will get 22. Then add that next one, 36, add that next one, and the next one, 66. So here the value of n is 66, means sum of the frequency, right? This is the sum of the frequency and this is called the value of n. So how to find the median class? Just see very carefully. Just here you will find it out, n by 2, the value of n by 2. See, if n is equals to 66, so what is the value of n by 2? This also will be 33. Where the cumulative frequency is just more than this value of n by 2, just more than this value of n by 2. Where you have seen this is actually 36, and the median class, that means your answer will be that corresponding class. So 60 to 80 will be your answer, means option D. Option D will be your correct answer. Next, mean and median of the data are given 32 and 30. So what is given? Mean is given 32 and median is given 30. Okay, using the empirical relation. So what is that empirical relation? We know that the empirical relation is mode is equals to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So just put that values. 3 into median means 3 into 30 minus 2 into 32. So this will give you 3 is a 9, means 90, minus 64, 26. Okay, so your answer is 26. Option B is your correct answer. Next slide. Two triangles PQR and triangle ABC, it is given that AB by BC is equals to PQ by R. Okay, the ratio is given. So which should be true? So let us draw that triangle according to that ratio which is given. Okay, suppose I am drawing this triangle is PQR. If this is PQR, then this triangle is, I will write it as ABC. AB by BC is equals to PQ by PR is given. Suppose I am giving ABC. Just check. AB by BC is same as PQ by QR. Is it true? AB by BC is same as PQ by QR? No. It should be PQ by PR. Since A and B, these two names should be changed. So I'm changing it. I'm writing it B and I'm writing this as A. Just check now. I think it is now done. AB by BC, PQ by PR. Yes, now it is done. Just see, you can write PQR is similar to BAC, right? Which two angles are equal? B with P. See, angle B is same as angle P. These two are equal. Okay, so option C is correct. Next, the value of sine theta is given 3 by 4 and find out this one. Okay, so let us write that sec square theta minus 1 into cos square theta by sine theta. We all know that sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta, right? By which identity? Just tell me. The identity was sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So just find it from here. Sec square theta minus 1, this will give you tan square theta. Okay, from here we have written sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta into cos square theta by sine theta. So just write tan square theta as sine square theta by cos square theta into cos square theta into 1 by sin theta. So cos square theta cancel, sin square theta by sin theta means this will give you sin theta only, and the value of sin theta is also given 3 by 4. So your correct answer is 3 by 4 only. This is your correct answer. Next one, 8th term of an AP is 17. So let the first term be A and the common difference be D. So you can write 8th term is means A8 of an AP is 17. This implies actually A plus 7D is equals to 17, and 14th term means A14 is equals to 29, means A plus 13D is equals to 29. So these two equations, this one and this one, we will solve and we will get the value of A and D. What is needed? The common difference. Common difference means D you are going to find out. Okay, so I'm going to find out D now. A plus 7D is equals to 17 and A plus 13D is equals to 29. Just subtract them, you'll get it. A cancel 70 minus 13D minus 6D is equals to 1729, means this will give you minus 12. Minus minus cancel, so D is equals to 12 by 6 means 2. The value of D is 2. Option B is your correct answer. Next, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle and PA is the tangent. Okay, if OAB is equals to 60 degree, then find OPA. OPA means which angle? Just check this angle you are going to find out. This angle. Okay, so what we can do from here, just see, O is the radius of that circle, OB is also a radius. Since these two sides are equal in this triangle, so this angle should be equals to this angle, means this is also 60 degree, correct? Now from this triangle, means from OAB, what we can write? 60 degree plus 60 degree plus, suppose this angle is X, equals to 180 degree. That means here we are applying the angle sum property. So actually we are getting 120 plus X is equals to 180, means X is equals to 180 minus 120 means 60 degree. Okay, so this angle actually you are getting also 60 degree. How much? This is also 60 degree. Now see, we all know that any tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So this angle here, this is actually 90 degree, isn't it? OA is perpendicular to PA. O is perpendicular to PA. Now, so here the angle is 90 degree. Now just see, from OAP, this triangle, we can write this angle means 60 degree plus 90 degree plus angle this one means APO. Angle APO is equals to 180, correct? So this will give you 150 plus angle APO is equals to 180. So angle APO is equals to 180 minus 150 is equals to 30 degree. This is your correct answer. 30 is the correct answer. Next and the last question. One card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. You all know that total number of cards in a pack of cards is 52, right? So total number of cards, if it is 52, you have to find out the probability here of red king. Red king means, you all know that in a pack of card, number of red cards is 26 and number of black card is also 26, right? And among these red cards, how many king are there? Among this red card, how many king are there? You all know that 2 king, right? How many kings? 2 kings, because total kings 4. Here in this 2 kings. So here red king means only 2 king. So what is the probability? This probability, suppose it is P, so it should be out of 52 this should be 2 only red king. So 2 ones are 2, 26 twos are 52, means 1 by 26. This will be your correct answer, means option B. This is the correct answer. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.